To troubleshoot touchpad issues on a Lenovo laptop, start by enabling the touchpad. Navigate to the Windows settings. Press the S key and search for Touchpad. Then, select the Turn the touchpad on or off option and switch it on. If the issue persists, try increasing the touchpad sensitivity by opening the control panel, navigating to the touchpad settings, and selecting the Touch Sensitivity option under the Pointing tab. Then, increase the sensitivity. If the problem still isn't resolved, update the touchpad driver by going to the Device Manager, expanding the Mice and Other Pointing Devices section, right-clicking the touchpad driver, and selecting the Update Driver option. By following these simple steps, you should be able to easily troubleshoot and resolve touchpad issues on your Lenovo laptop.